Welcome to the world of biology. Up to your 7th class, I had learned science as one subject along with the remaining subjects. But from 8th standard onwards, this science is categorized into two divisions. Those are physical science and biological science. Now we are dealing with biological science, and today I am going to introduce the chapters which are present in 8th class biology. There are 11 chapters in 8th class biology. The first chapter is what is science. In this chapter, you are going to learn importance of science and scientific methods which are following by the scientists in their experiment to find out truths, and different process skills. Some of the subdivisions which are present in science. The second chapter is cell, the basic unit of life. In this lesson, you are going to learn discovery of cell and diversity in cells. And the third chapter is story of microorganisms. This chapter has two parts. In first part, there is a story of microscope invention and discovery of microorganisms. In second part, there are useful microorganisms and harmful organisms. These are the concepts you are going to learn in this third chapter. Next, coming to the fourth chapter, that is reproduction in animals. In this chapter, you are going to learn viviparous, oviparous, and reproduction, modes of reproduction, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, and human male reproductive system and female reproductive system. These are the topics you can learn in this chapter. Next, coming to the fifth chapter, that is attaining the age of adolescence. In this chapter, you can learn changes in adolescence, development of sex organs, and reproductive phase of human beings, and people and their minds, childhood marriages, social evil. These are the topics you can learn in this chapter. Next, coming to the sixth chapter, that is biodiversity and its conservation. In this lesson, you are going to learn what is biodiversity, diverse world under microscope, and endemic species, endangered species, and value of biodiversity and its conservation. And coming to the next chapter, that is different ecosystems. In this chapter, you will learn different ecosystems, changes in ecosystem, structure of ecosystem. Those are water ecosystem and grassland ecosystem, desert ecosystem, and the components which are present in that ecosystems, such as biotic components, abiotic components. Okay, these are present in this chapter. Next, coming to the 8th lesson, food production from plants. In this lesson, you will learn food production from plants, methods which we have to follow to increase food production from plants, such as soil preparation, sowing seeds, and applying manures, irrigation, and weeding, and harvesting, crop harvesting, and storage. Other topics we will learn in this lesson. And coming to the next lesson, that is food production from animals. In this lesson, you will learn animal husbandry, poultry, fisheries, and apiculture. And coming to the next lesson, 10th lesson, that is not for drinking, not for breathing. In this lesson, you are going to learn different pollutions, such as water pollution, air pollution, and pollutants, effects of water pollution, effects of air pollution, and prevention and controlling methods to follow to prevent water pollution and air pollution. Okay, coming to the next lesson, 11th lesson, that is why do we fall ill. In this lesson, you will learn health and its failure, disease and its cure, and modes of transportation, disease causing organisms, and infection agents and principles to prevent.